I am going to do a massive Amazon haul. One of the most exciting things about coming here, of course it has to be related to online shopping, is being able to buy items off of Amazon. In Australia we don't have Amazon as readily available. I have ordered so much stuff. I'm constantly in the campus mailroom. I'm literally there every week, twice a week. Once I was there 3 times during the week. I'm just going to go through my order history. I placed 13 orders within 2 months, but yeah, I'm just gonna go through, start in the order of things that I've gotten first. So the first thing that I purchased were these little pegs that you can see that are on each photo. I got a 50 pack, $4.15. And then the second thing I bought were these white canvases. Obviously I painted on some of it, so I bought those pegs, white canvases, and the next thing that I bought relating to decorating my room was black spray paint. No, I'm not a graffiti artist or anything. You can see on my wall that I spray painted some of it. Yep, the last 2 things that I purchased for decoration was, well, I've used one of them so you can't see them, but it's a little brochure thing, and I just purchased some command hanging strips to hang these canvases. I got the cheapest blue tack. It's Duck brand removable mounting poster putty. That was $4.50, so I got this, and that's what I've used to stick up all my photos. So I've actually blue tacked them and I just put a little peg on top as decoration to make it seem like it's hanging by the peg. And then the next thing that I got, which I think is so essential and so typical of me, you know me, Tide to Go stain remover pens. Really handy to have. Back in Australia I've always got like a tiny little spray bottle of their Nappy Sand Oxy Action Plus. These are just very good to have, and I got them in a 3-pack because they run out very quickly. It was $6 for this. And then the next thing I purchased were the fairy lights that I have up here. Yeah, so that was $8, and I'm not sure if it was worth it. Like, I thought the lights were going to be a lot bigger, but they're tiny. Next thing I got was tiny little perfume sample bottle. I bet you guys can't even see it because it's literally that tiny. So I don't know, I feel like when I'm online shopping sometimes I don't read everything that I'm purchasing. I must have been thinking that day because I paid $9. This very extremely tiny perfume sample bottle. To be fair, it is Versace. It does smell very nice, and I purchased it because I didn't want to get a whole bottle, obviously for travel reasons, and I wanted to see if I would like the scent, and I do. It's nice. The next thing I got were just kind of boring stuff. Ran out of contact lens solution, so you guys can see these are obviously not my eyes. These are the Solotica Hazel contacts. Yeah, so ran out of contact solution. This is one of the cheapest, and I have used this brand. I do use this brand back home in Australia. And then similarly, on the topic of contact lens care, I purchased the Clean Care Plus Hydro Glide. This is different from the solution. This is more of like a deep clean. Put your contact lens in this funky looking case, and you put your contact lenses in there and it cleans them. And then the next thing that I purchased was this rain jacket. This is a North Face Venture 2 jacket in the colour Tropical Peach. This was the most expensive thing that I purchased off of Amazon. It rains quite frequently here in Connecticut, and I have an umbrella, but I don't know, I saw people wearing a lot of rain jackets and I figured it might be nice to get one. I don't know how I like it. It's not really that cute when you wear it, which I don't think rain jackets are anyway. Very thin, doesn't keep you warm, but you obviously need to wear something underneath. But in terms of it actually being good, waterproof and stuff, it does keep me dry. It was $79 and it was on sale, so I got this rain jacket there. Then the next thing that I purchased is H2O Ocean Saltwater Piercing Aftercare Spray. I got some piercings a few months ago and I finished up this bottle that I had in Australia, and I feel like it's just important to have one just in case you don't want anything getting infected. And I got face wash because I finished mine. I purchased this in Ives Nourished and Smooth Oatmeal Scrub and Mask. This was $3 and it was an add-on item, so I had to spend a minimum of $25. So that's probably why I have all this random stuff, is because I am too cheap to pay for the extra shipping, and I'd rather spend more to get free shipping, which just doesn't even make sense because I end up paying more. So I purchased this, and then I purchased some sport bras. One of them is in the wash, so I can only show you one of them. This was like one of the cheapest sport bras that I found, $12 altogether for it. Honestly, in terms of its function as being a sports bra, it's really bad. It's very flimsy, there's just no real support, so yeah, I wouldn't recommend this. Then I got a 20-pack of socks, all low no-show, because that's the style that I wear. I lose socks as much as I do bobby pins, so really important, and I was running out of socks on this trip. So they're a good price. They work out to be $1.33 for a pair. These are roll-up seal bags. They come in a variety of sizes. A bag within a bag. So it's a pack of 10. Traveling, these are a huge lifesaver, and because there are so many of them, you can really organize your bag. So these are the large ones. They just look like that. You put your item in, you seal it up, and then you just roll it. So The next thing that I purchased is this portable charger. It's this mini sized one, and I had a portable charger with me for my iPhone, but I lost it somewhere traveling, and it was very chunky as well, so I wanted something that would fit in my purse. I have used it once and it doesn't hold that much power storage in it, I guess, so I charged my phone once with it and then charged it twice, and then after that you've got to charge it again. And the last and most recent thing that I purchased was this wireless keyboard. It comes with a charger and you just connect it to your computer. And pretty much my laptop here, as I mentioned, I dropped it the other day and I'm so sad. This is like the first time that I've ever dropped or like broken a device of mine. The computer works perfectly fine. It's a good thing that it's a touch screen. It connects via Bluetooth. It was just under $20 and so far it's worked, and it's magnetic, so it just put it there and nobody can even tell. The only thing is that you can really hear the typing. Touchpad that it comes with is not as sensitive, so it doesn't pick up as well. But other than that, it just works fine. So that concludes everything that I have purchased. I hope you guys enjoyed that haul. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.